Alright, this time I and my partner will explain to you about artificial neural network and robotics. Right here, I have friends. My friend is Akhmad Syarif, Faisal Rezky, Rizky Eka S, Ramadhani, Suhendra, Rozy Fajrin. Do you know artificial neural network? Or robotics? Do you know artificial neural network and robotics? Alright, you don't know. In first material, we will explain about artificial neural network and robotics. This video have 5 parts. In first material, we will explain to you about definition of artificial neural network and robotics.
Artificial neural network or connection system are a computational model used in computer science and other research disciplines, which is based on a large collection of simple neural nets, artificial neurons, loosely analog of the observed behavior of a biological brain axon. Robotics is the interdisciplinary branch of the engineering and science that include mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and others. Robotics deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots, as well as computer system for their control, sensory feedback, and information processing.
Alright, second part will explain to you about history of artificial neural networks and robotics.
Warmaker and Wolfspeed in 1943 tracked a computational model for neural network based on mathematical and algorithmic class threshold logic. This model paved the way for neural network research to split into two distinct approaches. One approach focused on biological process in the brain, and the other focus on the application of neural network is artificial intelligence. The history of robot has its origin on the ancient world. The modern concept began to develop with onset of industrial revolution, which allowed for the use of complex mechanics on the subsequent introduction of electricity. This made it possible to power machine with small concept motor. In the early 20th century, the motion of humanoid machine was developed. Today, it is now possible to invent human-sized robot with capacity for near human talk and movement.
Third part will explain to you about advantage of artificial neural network and robotics.
For advantage, number 1, capable of being accurate knowledge not there is no certainty. Number 2, able to perform generalization and the extraction of the particular data. For number 3, neural artificial network can create a pattern knowledge, search, arrangement, ability to learn. Number 4, having fault tolerance of bullying can regard as noise just. For number 5, the ability calculation and parallel so that the shorter. Advantage for robotic. Robots do anything which we need to be precise, accurate. New jobs are created because the people have to fix and design the robots. The robots can walk without sleep, so they can walk anytime. Robots do not require to sleep or take breaks. They are able to function without stopping when exploited to carry out dangerous tasks. The reach to the human health and safety is reduced. They can work long time without service hour maintenance, and they can be more production than the people.
Fourth part will explain to you about disadvantage of artificial neural network and robotics.
For disadvantage, number 1, for the perform the operation numerical with precision has off. Number 2, for perform the operation of algorithm arithmetic, operation logic and symbolic. And 3, long process of training that might happen in a very long time for the number of big data. For disadvantage robotic, robot needs a supply of power. The people can lose job in the factory. They need the maintenance to keep them running. It costs a lot of money to make or buy the robot. The software and the equipment that you need to use with the robot cost much money.
Fourth part will explain to you about example of artificial neural network and robotics.
Example for medical diagnosis, assisting doctor with their diagnosis by analyzing the reported symptoms. Detection and evaluation of medical phenomena, detect epileptic attack, estimate prostate tumor size, detect patient breathing abnormalities when a patient is under anesthesia, etc. Patient length of stay for a case which patient remain for a specific number of days. Treatment cost estimation.
In this is the example of robot. I will show you a picture. First, the industrial robot. Second, medical robot. And last, military robot.
Alright, that's explanation about artificial neural network and robotics. I hope you can understand what is artificial neural network and robotics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, likes,